Today's video, we are going to be unboxing my March Look Fantastic box. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. But today's video we are going to be unboxing my March, I had to think what month it was there, my March Look Fantastic box. Let's get this open and we can have a little sneaky peek before I unbox. This box costs £15 per month, and if you get it on a 12-month subscription basis it works out at £13 per month. I will leave a link down below in the information box and the comment box. If you click that link it'll get £5 off your first box, but double check that, but you do get money off. This is inside the box, so we have the little edit card, it has the QR code there, we can scan it and get to the digital edit card for all the information on the products in here. And there is a very quick sneaky peek. But yeah, let's get proper digging in here to see exactly what we've got. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Someone's been a naughty boy, that was a police car gone by. So I have scanned the card and it has worked, so that is bloody fantastic. This March box has a value of over £79. First item in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Anastasia Beverly Hills and it's Brow Genius Serum. This is a mini, 24.5 grams, and it has a value of £37. Powered by the brand's Brow Genius technology, this serum is expertly formulated with 6 high-performance ingredients to help manage and maintain smoother, fuller looking brows. Castor oil helps to protect, condition and nourish the brow hairs, whilst peptides and Korean ginseng encourage a fluffy finish. So you just apply to clean brows, focusing on sparse areas. Use short and gentle strokes, starting at the root and working in the direction of the hair growth. Allow 1 to 2 minutes for the formula to dry. Before styling the brows, apply daily in the morning and night. For at least 8 weeks for optimal results. I am so up for that. This is so good because I have little bald patches in my brows and I'm trying to grow my eyebrows back here and here. Like, my eyebrows are getting further and further apart from each other and it's a very slow process of trying to grow them back in together. So I'm gonna get to using this like straight away. So opening it up, it actually looks a decent size if this is a mini, that's not bad at all. So I'm going to open this up straight away because I will be using it straight away. And yeah, that's what we have there. Oh yeah, it's like a little brush thing there. Can't smell anything, not that it matters, it's going on my eyebrows, but yeah, that is super cool that I was wanting something for my brows to grow them and I've got it, so yeah. Perfect timing. Second product we've got on the box is this. So this is by the brand Gatineau Paris and this is a water cream. It's a full-size product at 30ml and has a value of £19.99. This water fresh gel with barberry fig extract, shea butter and seaweed actives promote long-lasting hydration for skin that is soft, glowing and silky smooth. With mineral-rich velvet seaweed extract, reinforces the skin hydration to help achieve a more youthful looking results. Yeah, all up for the more youthful look, that's for sure. Whilst barberry fig extract aids in natural peeling process to help the active skin cell renewal, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, the antioxidant properties of the added vitamin E to help protect the skin from external pollutants. Yeah, that sounds so good to me. Did we receive this in another box? This looks familiar. I'm sure we did. I can't remember. I get so many boxes to unbox, I literally can't remember, but that looks so familiar. Comment down below and let me know if you remember me unboxing this in another box recently, because I'm sure that I have. But it's a very nice brand. I've had a few products by this brand and quite enjoyed them, so yeah, I don't think I've tried this before, but I do think I've unboxed it, and if I have, it's in my drawer somewhere. The third item in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand First Aid Beauty, and this is a deluxe size product. It's an anti-chafe stick with shea butter and calendula oatmeal. It's 9.9 grams, which what makes it a deluxe size, and it has a value of £9. Forming a protective shield over the delicate skin, this anti-chafe stick helps to defend against dryness and friction. Suitable for sensitive skin types, this stick utilises a nourishing blend of calendula oatmeal, shea butter and ginger root extract to encourage a soothing effect. A non-sticky formula is perfect for use for the inner thighs, underarms, or wherever you may experience chafing. Yeah, cool. I do get chafing. I chafed when I was bigger. Now that I've lost a bit of weight, I think I do still chafe. I haven't really wore any dresses or skirts that I haven't wore tights with in anyway, so I can't remember, but yeah, I will have to try that out to see if it works. I'm sure I still do chafe, but yeah, really cute size, perfect for your handbag. The fourth product we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Brushworks, and it's Satin Scrunchies. It's a pack of 2. Has a value of £4.99. These ultra lightweight scrunchies are created with a high quality satin to help minimise friction and reduce the risk of breakage or split ends on the hair. An elasticated stretch works to comfortably keep your hair strands in place throughout the day, making them suitable for all hair types and textures. This pack includes 2 colours to suit both brunette and blonde hair. So yeah, really nice colours there. I'll probably use both. I won't use these outside, but yeah, when I'm in the house, if I want to get my hair off my face, I'll certainly will give them a go. And anyway, yeah, love little satin scrunchies. They are very gentle on the hair, guys. So the 5th product in the box, it says here, which one will you receive? So there's 2 products here. You're going to get one of the 2. So both of them are full size. You're either going to get something by the brand Nail HQ, which is a nail lacquer in the shade Chrism. Has a value of £5.99, or you're going to get something by the brand Aurelia London, and that is a conditioning eye and lash cleanser. Has a value of £10, so a slight difference there. The one I've got, unfortunately, is this one. I think I would have preferred the other one, but never mind. But yeah, so this is by the brand Nail HQ, and it's the nail lacquer in the shade Chrism. It just says, this highly pigmented nail varnish offers a silky smooth application and delivers a deep glossy finish in a rich chrism red shade, a classic for any occasion, from formal party to everyday attire. Okay, so I don't really get excited about nail varnishes anymore because we do get them quite regularly in all the different beauty boxes, and I do unbox quite a few of the beauty boxes, so I've got a few. And I have to say, 9 times out of 10, if you're going to get a nail varnish, it's normally in a red. So yeah, we have one here, but let's just have a look at this shade. Oh, that's actually a really nice shade. That's like a bluey red. I prefer a bluey red over like an orangey red, or a pinky red, so that's quite cute. What I generally do if I'm putting a normal nail polish on, I'll pop it on, let it dry, get my gel polish out, get my gel top coat the nail varnish, cure it under a lamp, and it makes it last a bit longer. But yeah, it's just not something I'm excited about. I would have preferred the other product. Hey guys, so the 6th and final product in the box, you're going to get one of a possible 4 products. So it's all by the same brand, Mio Skincare. And right, so all of them by the looks of it are deluxe sizes. So you're either going to get the liquid yoga bath soak 30ml worth £4. You either going to get the sun drenched body wash 30ml worth £3, or you could get the Futureproof body butter 30ml worth £6, or you're going to get the Clear Away body cleanser 30ml worth £3. So the one I've received in my box is this one. So this is the Futureproof body butter. This rich body butter is formulated with androba oil for intense moisture, helping you to achieve soft, supple skin. An antioxidant blend of olive oil and myrtle revitalizes whilst protecting against environmental aggressors. Okay. So I mean, this is the most expensive one out there, not by much, but out of the 4 products. I have tons of body butter and I've just got another one to add to my collection. Oh bugger, but I do like the size of it. It's proper useful for when you're traveling, I suppose. Yeah, let's just, I wasn't gonna open it, but I've got to open one of them, haven't I? So let's just pop some in my hand. Okay, so it's quite a nice consistency. There it is there. Put way too much there, but never mind. Has quite a pleasant smell. It's not over the top at all. It's not overpowering. Nice, light and fresh. That actually feels gorgeous. That does feel really nice. Okay, well this can go in my travel section of my storage, because yeah, that is great for travel size. Okay, yeah, it's not bad. Right, guys, so this is the March Look Fantastic box. Has a value of over £79. What do you think? Personally, it's an okay box. It's not bad, but it's not fantastic. Obviously the star of the show is the Anastasia Beverly Hills product, the brow serum-y stuff. Awesome, that's exactly what I was looking for, and I can't wait to try that out and hopefully get some more brows here. That would be lovely. So yeah, super excited about that. Gatanu is a brand I really like, really nice products. So yeah, not bad. The AntiChafe product, I can't wait to try that. I really can. That's a really useful product to have. Some little scrunchies there, they're alright. A nail varnish I'm not really super excited about, if I'm honest. Beautiful colour when you take the top off and look at it properly. It's nice, but And then we have the body butter. Again, it's a nice product. My skin feels oh so soft after using it, and there's no residue or anything left. But yeah, it just doesn't excite me. As I say, the star of the show is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. That excites me. That saves this box, if I'm 100% honest with you. I don't know what to do with Look Fantastic, because their boxes recently have gone downhill. They really have. If it wasn't for that Anastasia Beverly Hills product there, I'd be really upset with this box because it's not great. Yeah, I don't know. The size of the products are getting smaller and smaller. They're going like Birchbox size. Is that just me, or do you feel the same? I don't know. We'll give it a few more months and hopefully it'll get better. Fingers crossed. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.